uLojwa wethule ubufakazi mayelana nokuthi wahlukumezeka kanjani ngaphansi kweso likaKhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngesikhathi eboshelwe icala lokuthunjwa kukasomabhizinisi waKwaZulu-Natal uZakaria Desai ngo-2024 nokuyicala athi lahoxiswa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
I was told by the provincial commissioner to undress till I was naked. I was instructed to squat before my co-accused private part and ask me to tell who the person that entered the room was by Lieutenant Colonel Govenda. In this instruction, I was instructed by Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi to squat in front of the accused number one's private part.
Uthi amaphoyisa efuna vume icala ngalazi.
They took me to the bush where they questioned me about the kidnapping of Zakaria Desai. They assaulted me. After seeing that I don't have anything to do with the kidnapping, they then took my passport, everything that I had, my passport, ID, bank cards, the money that I was having. They then took me to Maputo.
When they questioned you and took you to the bush,
Yes.
what were you told? Was there a warrant of arrest?
There was no warrant of arrest. There was nothing.
Ulandise ikhomishana nangokushiswa komuzi wakhe ngosuku okwagasela ngala amaphoyisa engekho. Usole uMkhwanazi ngokuba nephutha uma ethi umuzi wakhe washiswa amalungu omphakathi. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.